Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert kg to gram in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that convert kg to gram. Now we can say is show the kg to the 25 and 12 and 9 kg, and this kg is convert to the gram. Now select from the gram first row. Now keyboard press from the control equal. Now press from the convert from the type, press from the first bracket, then select from the kg. Now for comma, double quotation, type from the kg, again double quotation, again comma, again double quotation. Now type from the G, again double quotation, and again first bracket close. Now keyboard press from the enter. That's it. The normal mark. That's it. Then I show kg to gram is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.